Okay, my friend. She's Indian.
I thought he saw it now collapsed, so it's better access from there. He's
Okay.
The government has declared that the emergency phase of the search and rescue operation is now concluded. That means some of the teams who have been in here since the day after the earthquake will start to leave. Those teams are exhausted, they need to go home, they need to restock for their future deployment.
Okay, try to relax as much as you can. Excellent. Huvud töskurna úti og vökva.
At the same time, teams will remain here in Haiti to respond to any further signs of life that are found. They'll also be working on recovery of corpses and of moving they'll keep their heavy lifting equipment in the country to move slabs and to help with the recovery effort within buildings. This does not mean the search and rescue is over. It means the emergency response phase, with new teams arriving and with more work being done, that's drawing to a close.
We're going to try to feed her an IV tube so she can drink from the IV tube. We are not, I repeat, we are not starting a line.
We did see some reports of people being found alive yesterday. Of course, every day that goes by, the chances are smaller. As long as the teams are here, they will keep looking for the signs of life, and they will keep responding to any reports that are given. But we have to accept that as the days go on, the chances do get slimmer.